In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google VEO3 subscription quickly and efficiently. This process is straightforward, and I will walk you through each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Gemini. This is your starting point. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Google Gemini's URL to get started. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log into your account. Use your credentials, username and password to access the dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a forgot password option you can use to reset it. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the menu icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From here, what you want to do is select Settings and Help. This section is typically where you'll find important configurations relating to your account. Moving forward, within the Settings and Help area, you'll see an option labeled View Subscriptions. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to a page where all your current subscriptions linked to your Google Gemini account are listed. It's important to ensure you're on the correct subscription page, as managing multiple subscriptions can sometimes be a bit confusing. On this subscriptions page, take a look at the top right corner to find another Settings button. Clicking on this will provide you with further options related to your subscription. Among these options, you need to look for and choose the Cancel Membership option. It's important to note, if you proceed past this point, you're indicating you wish to terminate your subscription. And finally, the last step is to confirm your cancellation. Once you've selected Cancel Membership, you'll likely be prompted to confirm this action. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation. Some services might ask you for feedback on why you're canceling. Feel free to fill this in, though it is typically optional. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification or email confirming the cancellation of your Google VEO3 subscription. And there you have it, a streamlined way to cancel your subscription in a few minutes. Remember to double check that you've completed all the steps if you don't receive a confirmation. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.